Tang is a TCM formula used to relieve an upset stomach, symptoms like nausea, vomiting, hiccup, irritability, dry retching, and burping. It's usually used for spleen qi deficiency combined with stomach heat and rebellious stomach qi. The herbal ingredients of Tang are Champi, Juru, Renshan, Xinjiang, Dajiao, and Ganqiao. Champi helps regulate qi and improve digestion. Juru clears heat and stops vomiting. These two herbal ingredients can stop hiccup. Renshan tonifies spleen and helps Champi. Xinjiang harmonizes stomach and stops nausea and vomiting. Xinjiang also warms the stomach. Dajiao and Ganqiao tonifies qi and help Renshan. So this formula can be used for morning sickness, gastritis, and hiccups. But remember, if you have vomiting and hiccups due to excess heat or deficient cold, this is not recommended. If there's phlegm, add bansha and fuling. If there's no qi deficiency symptoms, remove Renshan. Tang